uncle.
What can I hear something listen to?
Statements that criminals
Put them tell her that a story there if you make it go cost the girl.
Already, forget the argument. Come off.
Their rights will be respected as Jamaica's brand will
Coming over the blood matter about cuss girl.
Our place in the world is as a liberal democracy that respects human rights. And that has been without...
All me I tell her, all me I talk to the woman, chat him for one. Probably sure.
Leadership of the security forces understand this moment.
She don't understand what me I talk about, you know. She don't understand what me I talk about, you know. Come on for this.
That they must respect the rights of our policemen to go back to their families safe and secure.
Recently, the security forces have come under fire due to an increase in fatal shootings. Just last week, rights group Jamaicans for Justice held a protest in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, decrying a spike in police killings and reports of citizens being abused at the hands of members of...
But she don't listen when me I tell her, say no. But she don't listen, she tell me about what me have to follow what people say. You see me follow people say, me say I'm my busy, me I talk about the video me make with the girl last night.
Find the person who pulled that trigger. And I want that message to go to every little shutter, every little gunman, every little don who thinks that he is anonymous.
But me don't know she come up with a football argument. She don't know nothing about she a chat. We don't take her around. One more client.
He says wherever criminals run, the security forces will find them.
You lift up.
A Manchester man has been charged with murder in an incident that was reportedly captured on video. Charged with murder is Nicholas Stewart, otherwise called Big Tree, a resident and farmer of the Coneyville district in Manchester. He is also charged with conspiracy to murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony.
Hello?
Police of killing 32-year-old William Russell, August 28, 2024.
What they want? Where they pan?
Police have shot along the line of Derrick.
Last night.
With a blue Toyota drove up.
Me have a tell down store and match up it. I'll me check it out now and go so.
Yeah, me we do that, man. Me always pass through. Me do that.
What you talking about?
Me say me we check out his store.
He was reportedly wrecked.
No, go so. I got wrong.
It was reported capture on CCTV.
So what make you dey advertise the people them store?
Alright, later me see later.
Watch out.
Later, because I can't take it now. I can't take it over.
That was News Headlines on the Edge. I am Casey Ashley Dawkins. Join us for another update at 5:30 p.m. For details on these stories and more, purchase your copy of the day.
Can't bother with me. Come tell me just ignorant. I'm ignorant for a man, you know. Me just ignorant, you know. Me ignorant. God know me ignorant. Me can't bother. Me can't bother with it.
Your night, your music.
Derrick.
Eh? Yes, Miss she.
Take it easy, you know? Take it easy, said we.
Eh?
No, I said just try to take it easy. I know it's hurtful, it's very hurtful. Can't hurt like
Which me attack. Two so come with them fuck. We can't bother with the fuck with it. Can't bother with it.
That's very hurtful, Derrick.
Can't bother with it. We can't bother with the argument.
What I'm trying to say is that the person where he might do the ad for it was a prank. Understand? Them not have no store. I just some little dirty bungle people where company love with the man.
Double tell every girl to come up on the live. I know she says she don't come up on the live, you know. She don't come on the live last night, you know. And me she says I do something, me she I do something. Then she come and there, post this again, post it and tag it, post it and tag it. Me tired of it. Me don't want nobody, me not add nobody, we don't fool this time. Me not add nobody.
And then the listeners will decide.
No man come on the live because you know a session on a store, a germs bag. That's what she said. Come on.
Yeah? What's that about?
No, I'm not come on the back. I'm not add nobody. You know, come up from my life.
Them too disgusting, man. Why me I tell them, you know, where them come from? Where so much of them come from, man? Parasite them.
Not tell Slim some shit got them. Why never do the art, you know? Why not? We don't take her up, because me can't buy the fuck crew.
I should not understand what you said, Derrick. Thanks for the Sydney, thanks for the donor. Guys, wanna send look a gift and cheer him up there, cause him feel hurt.
But me I tell, girl.
Alright, forget about
Me
that.
can't take it, man.
Derrick, forget about that. Forget about that. Nobody make that hurt your feelings no more than all your hurt already. See, Spicy and Sydney are sending a little gift there. Yes, guys, wanna send him look at something for cheer him up, you know? Cause them think they're hurtful enough. People not for deal with people, so man. Them too out of order, man. She shouldn't do that, man.
Don't be the point live last week, you know, and I beg you know, and to come on, guys, come on, guys.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
We are talking about the store, man. We are talking about the store, don't we? We are talking about the store. So they give them that we have 10K out of not 10 complete the life board for me. I already talking about the shoe store, you know. I mean, I tell them say you can check it tomorrow for me. You can go check out the store for me. Make sure but tell the girl say we don't want dub. Deal that for me. I'm gonna know dub put on him someday. You can check dub. He said no, she said she want to pay me. I say alright. She said do the video for me, I say alright. 2 minutes at the fuck shop, my friend. Make sure you know me.
Make a mistake. Hold on, look at that. 1 second there. Me that mute somebody, but they look like me mute the wrong person.
Where's the Rochelle?
Me there, uncle, me I wonder what go on with you, because I miss it. Me just come on here.
I don't miss the video we are talking about. We met for the girl at the store a month ago. She has said shoes.
Oh, okay.
Let me unmute that person.
You never see the ads, you never see the video them.
Me did see it last night, me did see it.
Me tell them the whole of them back. Thank you. Me take out every one of them. It's upset me for me. I don't know me. Right now me that hurt me, man. Me feel it, man, because nobody
What
can
she
come
do?
to
She
me.
not pay you?
No, a prank. What shall I prank?
Me rascal.
In a store. I just like a dirty girl with careless.
Why would somebody do that?
In my germs bag. And I just saw some people just
Derrick, how them can't take you for idiots, sir?
And them say don't take for idiot.
She called me last night and said, do the ad. And I said, look here, miss. And then the fuck shot me there. And I make sure, you know what I do? I make sure, come out of the room. I'm going to
Anybody laugh or get mute? Let me tell you in front now. Anybody laugh or get mute because it's not funny.
Yeah, mute them.
So did she pay you?
No.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, Miss Rochelle, you come
Mitchie, a while ago, me asked if I pay no payment, and then he said no, that.
No, the thing is, no, listen, Russia, let me tell you what happened. So listen, what happened is that last night, the person come on and asked him to do the ads, right? And because at the end of the night, him saying, would I do it and then him would I pay me today. When it check out now, the person have no store. So when him a call, I be a custom one man, a custom and I tell him about B man and this and that and whatever. So it's like some little dirty careless people because when you go to say you have store, you don't have no store. At the end of the day, yourself you're ashamed because you look like you're ugly.
I'll say I fix up something to give me. I'm post it.
Me see
But
it. So where the page come from, though?
We did send it for sure.
It's so. Mitchie boy, you check out the page and see on Instagram.
No, me did there working. I never get no time for do nothing. Now, if Derrick just tell me.
It kickers by Jonathan. Kickers by Jonathan. So it name.
The reason why me know about it is that when we wake up last night, Derrick up on the live, and when Derrick up on the live, he did promote it, and I said to him, say, Derrick had the promotion. And he said, yes, and if that started, so I thought me know about it. So me just come home from work now, and Derrick had tell me what go on. So me never know nothing till now. Me never know say a prank till now.
Remember say you fix up something and I post it.
We fixed it up from last night before me go back to sleep.
Who get?
Me did in a box last night too.
Yeah, you
Remember
would
me
see the
there
Derrick.
last night and we are promoting page and I tell them to follow you and something.
Yeah,
We
me come
didn't
on
know
at one
for
point, me see my promote,
See,
but I went to bed.
the number 1-876-7-899-534.
Sim and another girl now understand what Derrick say.
Yes, if me did ever
Then
know,
just
but don't ever waste my time do that.
Some which people, let me see how we need to get back.
You them bring me for the radio station, yeah? You hear it? One Derrick Morgan. Them a pick me up again.
But not funny about that though.
You hear it?
Big up yourself, Derrick.
Uncle, somebody call him for big you up.
Yeah.
Exactly,
that's
Anna, that unnecessary. What you gonna do that for?
yeah, exactly. What I
With a
mean,
broke pocket self. You know you're not in a store with a broke girl.
but we dare say he paid he store
Feel that way, man.
because he
Feel that
have
way, man. Feel
one
that
pack
way.
followers.
Feel that way, man.